So in these examples, firstly we should give the Ankara as a string in here, and so we can reach the whole characters by using this one, print s, and s is equals to the what, the 1 and this one. Okay, and so what happens if I run this code right now? Just write it. Yara? Yes, but until what? Just see that at each case one element the first element is removed. Just see Ankara, Ankara, Kara, Ara, Ra, A. See? Okay. So another examples is given by with the what, with the reverse string. As input give a word like this one. Okay, and so the I is equals to what, the len s minus 1. Okay, and so while I greater and equals to the 0, and after that, so we can print the what, to print as I in this, just like this one, with the end empty space and I minus equals to the 1. Okay. At this case, if you rerun this code, and so for example Emre Gür Rük Erme, okay, or Berk Baran Buz Zup Narap Krep. See, this is the reverse order. Okay, or we can continue with the another examples in here. X8. Okay, we can reverse the list by using these terms. It's 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, and I is equals to 0, len a is equals to len a, and while I smaller than lena divided by 2, and so just remember the swap operation ai with the what, lena minus 1 minus I which is equals to the what, a lena minus 1 minus I and ai, right? See, this is the swap, I plus equal 1, and so if you print this a value just like this one, and so what's the result of this code? It's written I'm sorry, I'm still given 9 10 9 8 7 6 blah blah blah. Okay, these are the code to what, to print in the reverse order of the list in elements. Okay, any question? If there is no question, and so we will continue with the for example. Okay, in the for examples we can create the loop by using the for keyword in Python programming language. Okay, so the basic syntax is for variable in sequence, and so we can give the suite. Okay, so the else suite should be given in here, but in order to understand that we need to solve the what, the examples, right? So x1, okay, In the x1, a is equals to the what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay? So how we can use the for loop for I in a, which means that the a is searched with the what? With the I in this, in here. Okay? And so we can print these values I and this one. What happens if I run this code right now? No, it's not the error. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? And so 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. What happens if I run this code? In this case, we will reach to what? 10, 20, 30, 40, which means that this I is equalized with the what? With the elements of this one, not the in this one. Just remember that. Okay? So, in the x2, for example, the s is equals to the Malkara. Okay? And so for c in s, we can use it, this suite, just like this one, the c. If I rerun this code, the Malkara can be assigned just like this one, guys. Okay? We can split every atoms by using the what? The C in S by using the for loop. Okay? So, in the third example, we need to continue with the what? With this one. And S is equals to what? The dictionary values, Ali, Veli, and 10, 4, and Selami. Okay? And so for x in S, the print x type x. What's the output of this code? Just see that. If we rerun this code, the value class str Ali 10 12.4 and Selami is written in here. Or we can build these dictionary values just like this one. For example, the D is equals to the what? The dictionary values, the Ali, and 1, 2, 3, Veli, 4, 5, 6, and Berk Baran 1, 1, 1. Okay? And so the for key in D, print key values, which is equals to the what? The D key. Okay? If we search this for loop, just remember that we have a key and value, but in the for loop we can reach the key, not the values one. And in the second place, if we call the key values, just like this, Ali, Veli, and Berk Baran are stored in the key, and so the for loop is search this one, and so this key is assigned to the what? The open and close parenthesis operator, and so we can reach at each iteration to the what? To the values of these terms. Okay? So another examples can be given by with the what? The L. We can build the what? The list in here. Ali 1, 2, 3, Veli 4, 5, 6, and Emre 4, 4, 4. Okay? We can assign these terms just like this one. Ali and Veli and Selami, or the Emre. So for name and no in L can be used in here because the name is the first operator, no is the second operator in the tuple list, and so we can reach easily just like this one, the name and no. See, Ali 123, Veli 456, Emre 444. Okay, we can split every atoms in here. 1, 2, and 3. What happens if I run this code? See, too many values to unpack, and so we can say that the number can be assigned in here just like this one, and so the number is also given in here. See, we can add the more parameters to search in the what and in the L values in here. Okay, guys? Any question? If there is no question, and so the x 7, so the d is equals to the what? The Ali. Okay, 1 2 3 Ready 5 5 7 and Berk. So 1 2 3 no 1 2 6 Esra 7 9 8 and so on. Okay, and so how can we search the key values and the what and the dictionary values in here? For key and value can be assigned an arbitrary number in here, but in D just remember the items function in the dictionary values. These items returns to the what, the key and the value pairs. Okay, and so the print key and the value is assigned with the what, with these terms Ali, Veli, Berk, Esra, and 123 blah 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 789. Okay. Any question? If there is no question, and so we will continue with the what with the 8. We have a special built-in function which is called to range 1 to 10 I and equals this one, and so the print can be given in here. What's the output of this code, guys? This returns to the what, to the range, gives us the index values of the for the I values. Okay, and so the Yara tell me the right answer, but the 10 is not included in this case because it's up to the 10. Okay, what happens if I choose to run this code? Just this one. In this code, if I run, and so 0 to 9 values is included in here. Okay, and so what happens if I run this code just like this one, 10 to 20? What's the output of this code? Yes. 10 to 19, right? So what is the output of this code? 1 starting point, 2 increment rate. What's the output of this code? Yes, 1 3 5 7 9. Okay, so what is the output of this code? What's the output of this code? Yes, it's in the reverse order, but the 10 8 6 4 2 is written in here. What is the output of the last code? There's no error here because the range is defined in here is an empty space. If it's assigned to the empty space, I is given in an empty space. Okay, there's no error in here, but we cannot write anything in here. This is semantic error, not the syntax one. Okay. So in the example of the 9, so we need to give what the for I in. For example, the range method can be utilized with what the orth function a up to orth function z, okay, plus 1, okay, and so print the character I can be written just like this one. And so what is the output of this code? The orth returns to the what, the number of the ASCII number of the a, and the z is obtained and plus 1 is added, and the character I can be written just like this one. And so this gives us to what, the whole the alphabet. Okay. See, this is simple but effective syntax for searching to what, to character for a given string values. Okay. And so we will build to do finding out how many counts for a character in here. In this case, for example, a 1 2 2 3 4 5 2 1 2 3 1 2. This is an arbitrary number, random number in here. And so the val integer casting operator in here, the input, and so searched character should be given in here, just like this one. Okay, and so the count is equal 0. We need to find out how many counts for a character for a given data, which is assigned to the what, to the val values. Okay, and so for I in a, which means that the a are the array, the list values, and so I at each case is increased, or the each a elements can be reachable by using this formulation. And so if I is equals to the val, which means that we find it right now, and so the count must be increased with the 1. Okay, and then we can call the print count function in here. Okay, and so if I rerun this to the search character in here, which one? For example, 99. See, it's 0 because we don't have any 99 in a. But if I put the what, 2, see that we have the 5 2 in here, and it's the basic algorithm to search every control in here, just like this one. Okay, so in another example, we can build the password control. Okay, for example, we have a 3 chance to test the password for I in range 3. Okay, we can build a 3 range, and so as the input, enter password. Okay, these are the inputs, and so if s, for example, the password is Keshan, and so if we put the Keshan, we can say that it's ok. Okay, and so we need to break it. But if we don't have the Keshan, the print invalid password. Okay, and so if I is greater than the 3, and so we need to give one more else in here, the print your account blocked. Okay, so if I rerun this code and show the password Mehmet, no, invalid password, Berk Baran, no, Emre Gür, see, my account is blocked. Okay, and so if I rerun this code and show the Malkara, no, Tekirdağ, no, but the Keshan, ok. See, this is a password application. But it's a simple one. So the basic idea is the same for everything. Okay. So for this case, we have one more special keyword in here. For example, for k in range 10, and for k I in range 10, guys. Okay, so we can use the if I time case mod operator is equals to the 0, then we can use the pass keyword in here, and else the print I times k, and can be given just like this one. What is the meaning of the pass in here? Pass in, for example, in C++, we may have this kind of implementation. For example, for integer I is equal to 0, I is greater than 10, I plus plus 1. And so see that maybe we can use this dot comma operator, and so it creates nothing, but this loop is run. Pass is just like that. We don't do anything in here, just pass. Okay, we give the empty space, but it's not broken to the algorithm. Just see that if I rerun this code, and so 1 3 5 7 blah blah blah, these are all the odd numbers, guys. Okay, do you understand the function of the pass in here? Do you understand it? If we are using the pass, uses the pass, and so we don't do nothing. We do nothing. Just pass it at this line. Yes, continue. But just see that in the C++ we have this kind of stuff. This pass is passing in here, writing in here, and so we don't do nothing. We do nothing at this stage. Okay. Otherwise, we print it. Just see that. For example, if the I times k %2 is equals to 0, we don't do write or the print any variable in here, just like this one, guys. Okay. Okay. So we may have time, but at this week we ended to our codes. In the next lesson, we will continue with the functions, guys. Okay.